Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to install SSL certificate in our WordPress website. So this is a very easy tutorial if you follow every single step by step. So let's get started. First of all, you need to end up in your dashboard of your WordPress website. And on the left side of the menu, find plugins and click on add new. Once you click on add new, you just need to search on the top right corner SSL. Once you search that, this is the second one which we are going to use right now. Remember this logo, and this is called WP encryption. Just click on install and activate it. Once you do that, you will end up over here. Just click on skip. Here we have two methods, but right now we are going for the free plan obviously, so we are going with this one. Here you are going to enter the email of your domain, so I'm going to enter that and make sure to check every single thing over here. Once you click on generate SSL certificate, we have two options to verify our domain, so you can go either any one of them, and they have shown the step, but I would prefer to go with the first method because this is easy and I think this is insta. This would take at least 5 to 10 minutes, as you can see, so I would prefer to go with this one. Just download both of these files and then go to your cPanel. Once you're at your cPanel, just click on file manager. After that, click on public HTML. Click on the top right corner settings and make sure to click on show hidden files. After that, click on save. Click on the top left corner folder, and here we are going to enter the name which they have given to us. So if we go back over here, as you can see, we are going to create a folder which is this one with this name. Click on create new folder and open that folder again. Now if we go back, you can see that we need to create one more folder under that folder which we have created. So we are going to create one more folder with this name. Click on folder or at the top left corner, paste that name over here, click on create new folder. Open this, go back, make sure to download both of these files, and after that enter both files in this empty folder. Click on upload, and here we can easily drag and drop our file. So I just recently downloaded, obviously, just click and drag over here both of those files, just remember that, and go back, reload. So you can see that we just uploaded our files over here. After that, just go back to WordPress, click on verification file, and then click on verify HTTP challenges. So now you can see that congrats, SSL certificate has been successfully generated. So what we are going to do, obviously we have already logged in cPanel, open SSL and manage SSL. So this is what we are going to do. And after that, we are going to download all of this and install that on that SSL. So how we can do this? Just go back to cPanel, search for SSL at the top right corner, and you can see we have that over here. Once you open that, click on manage SSL certificates or site, and scroll down until you see something like this. We just need to enter all those three over here. So how you can do that very quickly? Just go back, copy all of this. As you can see, I just pasted that all over here, and under that you will find install certificate. Click on this, and after that you will see something like this, SSL certificate successfully updated. Just click on OK, and then go back to that same page where you copied all those, and under that you will find enable HTTPS now. And if we go back to that page now, this is my website, and at the top left corner you cannot see that not secure option over here. Why? Because we just added HTTPS over here, which means that we have just secured and installed our SSL certificate on our WordPress. So that's it. This is all you need to know. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.